Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hello. So we are here with the watermelon challenge this time, a little healthy one.
Yeah.
Last time it was a pani puri challenge and I
And
won.
then, yeah, you won it, but by cheating, okay?
So look at these guys. These are 3 kgs of watermelon in total. So it's 1.5 and 1.5 here.
Actually,
Look
it's
at this.
very.
Look at this.
It's summer, so I think it's very healthy to have this, right?
So
Let's see.
let's see.
Who will win?
obviously,
win?
obviously I will win again.
No, I will. You won by cheating.
So guys, let me get you through the watermelon history first, right? So here's a short history for you. I hope you like the history, right? It's very healthy and amazing fruit.
Okay,
So
let's
I
start.
think we should start the challenge, right? So that's 1,
2, 3.
2,
Cheers. Cheers.
and 3. Start.
Mm.
You have to finish that all.
Mm.
Don't do that. Leave the red
Now you won again. This time no cheating.
Actually, I could not eat due to laughing. We are making so much of funny faces. So I could not have only shit. I would lose.
How?
I'll have it okay. I'll just complete this.
It was amazing, guys. It was so fresh. Actually, we got it in morning from a few villagers this time. We didn't knew before that villagers come to sell here their fruits, and it was so fresh, right?
It's very fresh.
And
Very
so
good.
organic as well.
No,
So
seriously.
we loved it. Summers is going on, and what best than the watermelon, right?
I love watermelon. But I
What
never
fruits
thought
you like? What fruit you like in general?
Please do comment in the comment
Yeah.
section, okay?
And guys, do share our videos as well, so that we get more likes and more views, more love.
Yeah, we need that.
Yes, we need that, so that we can get encouraged and we can continue the videos.
And we'll make more beautiful videos, more funny videos.
And more where I will win.
No, now I will. I think we should end this vlog right now.
Yes, I think. Since I have already won the challenge. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this. Do let us know what more challenges you want to see in comment box.
Enjoy the summer with
Enjoy
the
the summer.
watermelon.
Bye bye.
Bye.